Yo, yo, dead broke, sleeping in the truck with the 40 tuck. Way before you ever heard of me, I had the formula. I had the formula. Yo, I was the kid that was always with my mama in church. Ain't had much, but we made this shit work. Typical kids, we was rich on the first. My mama bought whatever we want. We right back, broke on the third. I love my mama love. She know she raised a thug, and she know I sold drugs, and she know I never gave a fuck. And she know how I gave it up. Remember that time your boyfriend put his hands on you and I whooped his ass? Remember that, man? He was like 34 and I was 12. I dusted him. Yo, I remember Christmas. I ain't never want shit. Just take care of little sis. I always knew one day I would be rich and take a mind like this and shooters that don't never miss. I threw a couple thousand on the wrist, cause when you grind like this, you wanted more. I prefer mine like this. Nobody really ever gave me shit. I played the bench and now I make the picks. I used to lay in the bushes, now I sleep on $10,000 cushions. No more central bookings, came a long way from cooking. Nobody gave us nothing, shit these spots was cooking. $500,000 in jewels, we see niggas looking. Don't make a nigga push the button. I had the formula, way before you ever heard of me. I had the formula. I had the formula, way before you ever heard of me.